Hello everyone, welcome to Pratibha Virtual Classes. Today we will learn about the C++ variables. The topics we will learn in this session is variables in C++ and the scope of the variables. In the scope we will learn about the local variables and global variables. First we have to know about the what is the variable. A variable is a name which is associated with a value that can be changed, and it is the name given to the memory location, and it is also the basic unit of storage in a program. These variables can be declared in multiple ways, each with different memory requirements and functioning. A variable is only a name given to a memory location, and all the operations done on the variables affects that memory location which it is occupied. In C++, all the variables must be declared before use. Variable can be declared in different ways. To declare the single variable, we have to use the data type and space variable name. To declare the multiple variables, we use data type space variable 1, variable 2, variable 3. Data type may be the any valid C++ data type. The example to declare the variable is int space I. Int is the data type, I is the variable name. Here we declare the variable but not initialized. Here we declare the character variables, char is the data type and C. Here for example you observe that int age is equal to 20. Age is the variable of type int data type, age is the variable name and it is assigned as a value. It allocates the memory, that is in the RAM it allocates the memory location like this. Where it is reserved, this can be named by the variable name age. Here we declare the multiple variables by differentiating the comma operator int I comma j comma k. Here we declare the three variables which are of the integer data type, and variables always must be declared before they are used. Okay, usually it is preferred to declare them at the starting of the program, but in the C++ we can declare in the middle of the program, but we have to declare before using them. Variables can be initialized, that is assigned a initial value, that is the starting value, the what is the value to be loaded in that memory location. In the declaration also, the initializer consists an equal sign followed by the constant like this type, variable name and value. Type is the any valid data type, variable name is the name of the identifier variable, and value assigned to that, the value must be the type of the data type. For example, here we declared int d is equal to 3. Here we defined and as well as the initialized, and f is declared and initialized with 5, and here we declare the variable byte type, that is the z, and assigned with the variable 22. Like this we can declare and initialize the variables in the single statement. The scope of the variables. Scope means where we can use, the where the area where the variable can be accessed. Okay, the area of the program where the variable is based, that is the region of the program, and broadly speaking there are the three places where the variable can be declared. Okay, this is the local variables, means inside a function or block which is called the local variables, and in the definition of function parameters which are called the formal parameters. And other type of scope is the global variables, that means outside of all functions, which is called global variables. That means within the function or block declared, we can declare the variable that is called the local to that function or block, those are called the local variables. And in the definition of the function parameters, we declare the variables that are called the formal parameters, and outside of all functions before program starting, that is called the global variables. This is the scope of the, in three scopes we can use the variables. Okay, there are mainly two types of variable scopes: local variables and global variables. Local variables. Variables defined within a function or block are said to be local to those functions. If we declare the variables within the function, those are local to that function. If we declare the variables within the block, those are local to that block only. And local variable scope is limited to the block where it is declared and cannot be accessed outside of that block or that function. A block is a section of code which is defined by using the curly braces, that is enclosed within the open curly brace and closed curly brace. And local variables are declared inside a block, and these are do not exist outside the block in which they are declared. That means they cannot be accessed or used outside of that block. They can be accessed within that block only, within that function only. Example of using the local variables is, here we declare the function char my function. Here we declared this is the function, that is the my function. Here we declared char my var assigned to the area. This is the local to this function only. Here we are defining cout value of my var. My var variable is displayed. Okay, cannot be displayed because my var is equal to z. We are trying to change the value of the variable my var, which is local to this function. This function is closed here, and in the main function we are trying to access. So it displays the error compile time error because we are trying to access the variable my var outside of its scope. Its scope is only within this function. Okay, this is the another function. We are trying to access this variable outside of this function. Okay, so it displays the compile time error. That means those can be accessed within that. If we write cout here, it displays. If we write this statement here in between this closing of the brace, it displays no error. It displays the output. When we call this function, it displays. But when we are accessing the variable outside of this block, it is displaying the error. And next is the global variables. Global variables can be accessed from any part of the program. Global means global to all, means that can be accessible within the function, outside the function, within the block, outside the block. Okay, generally these are you declared outside of all the functions and blocks at the top of the program. Generally at the top of the program we can declare the variables. Those are called the global variables, and these can be accessed from any portion of the program. Okay, and they are available throughout the lifetime of a program. Up to the program execution, these have existed, and they are declared at the top of the program. Example of the using the global variables is, this is the global variable. Here we declared before the main, we declared char my var, which is assigned to the value m. This is global variable. Okay, here main cout value of my var, we are declaring it displays value of my variable m, and I am trying to change my var to q. The m is replaced with q and displayed the variable. It display next time it displays. Here this is variable before the main function, top of the program we declared, so it is the global variable we are accessing inside the main function. So it accesses because it is the global variable. And this is the using of the global and local variables within the simple program. Okay, here we declared iostream global variable declaration top of the program, that is before the main we have to declare the variables, that is the global variable. Here main and local variable a comma b, which is defined within the main function. So local a b are the local variable to this function a. Okay, this is the initialization. A is assigned with 10, B is assigned with 20, and G is calculated by adding the A plus B. G is the global variable which is assigned with adding the A and B local variables to that. Cout G we are displaying. It displays the value 10 plus 20 as the 30 as its results. Okay, this is the another. If there is a possible to declare the global and local variables with the same name. If we declare, if within the program, if the local variable and global variable have the same name, then the local variable inside the function will take the preference. For example, here we are the variable, that is the global variable p, which is assigned with 60. This is the main variable. Here also we declare the p. Now this is the local to this main function. The global variable's name is also the p and local variable's name is also the p. Okay, cout p. Here we are displaying within the function cout. So it gives the preference to local variable of this function. What is that local variable? That is the p. It displays the output as the 10. Okay, whenever there is the local variable defined with the same name that is of the global variable, then the compiler will give preference to the local variable of that function only. Okay, if we want to access that variable, we need to use the one of the operator, that is the scope resolution operator, which is used to access the global variable whose name is same as the local variable. To access a global variable when there is a local variable with the same name, we need to use the scope resolution operator. Okay, here we declare the global variable x and assigned with 10. Okay, next again declare the x same name, and this is the local to this function and x is the global to this function. Global variable is assigned with 10 and local variable assigned with. Here trying to display the value of global. I want to display the global variable 1. Here we need to use the scope resolution operator, that is the double colon x is the scope resolution operator. Now it access the global variable and cout value of that the x. This is the access to the local variable x. The output is global variable x is 10 and local variable x is 20. So we need, if we want to access the global variable whose name is same as the local variable, in those situations to access that variable we need to use the scope resolution operator. Thank you, one and all.